Untuk austerity measures, but we penduna you know iki funding iki department.
Ni kung ka university no.
Kung ka university under higher institution no sir. Kani jong pide sir. Te fikir ong sir kani ki isi ban perlong ha Delhi mana banal ya sir ye kani ki jingo. Em sir government agar join university ong sir. DNM sir kata.
Ito lang ang jawab.
Jawab ni lagi jingli abi long.
Kasi ang jawab. Ya pailat lalu pikiran jawab. Min say pa kay balle. No issue. Manang fi. Kini bentuk pa ba. New York life Sanpur life crore, kita menskap kata. Nomor dalam film kau menskap berfilm kau aktif kecil sisa. Last year of financial year 24-25, New York Sanpur life crore kapisa ban penyiat jika recurring grant jong ke university. Kita kamu pensiu ki penyiat ke university ya everything like ka salary but pension. How near usnam pemerintah ni naka Sanpur life crore la khati yang isi ka life way crore. Kung ke university ngimdan sinaya ro kapisa mentah. Usually every month to month ngimtip kumnung penyiat namar naktakadaw ng haple ka austerity measures tang sulang previously ngalalit sa Delhi pangalakho kanu siniki bahakan ka revised estimate pakin long December semua mapan kentiu IAKA grant ko jungi nomor kam ka grant nginomla tang ka bailait ngisiu nriu crore si Islam tang ka bailait ka bay petrol kani ka tay barokhat ni penyiat ka grant ka ministry ka fees ka papisio is one of the lowest in this country ngisiu ni penmi tang 8% na total expenditure. Nanta kini gitu ke ministry ngalet malah kapor ngalet back pisah lagi nanta kani ke university. Fimut kina ai direction nang tengah ngalan penhe ka sedam ngono ngam tre bangan. Balai this is a central university funded by them. So nga OMP season I ki ka directive ngatho ada ka email you register. Ngong as directed by the official of the MOE. Dan ngai copy ska MOE ru. Pan mun ngai copy terus register. Kajo ka copy nga asu MOE. Wa under secretary bu director. Company ben he sadam ni sarau ni nga nomor balai. Ya phi ka fight kadai tang spong supla. Ya nga ka fight kadai ban penyiat kene ke university. Ka bom dan pisasu. Ka bom dan ye ngidan hadu sia jangut. Kini ki casual workers. Lasai minta phi pene kana ka ministry. Larangi ngam dan pisanya ya. Mono sik salary jong kiti sia jangut. Phi ta bila lai pisa. You'll be here for 1-2 years, you'll be going away. Who will look after them? Kini kido action am janga. So, naktada OMP, when we deal with the ministry, baling atho ipi to appeal. When you deal with the ministry, you can fight with Chukla. No problem in fight with Chukla. But if in a fight with the ministry come out, kinu ke badan ka responsibility. Kata ini ke funding agency of us. We don't even have, we spend, listen, out of 53 crore, we got only 31 crore this time. We don't have money to send you for your, you can put on, wait. It is very easy to resign.
Sir,
come here.
Sir,
You come to the press. No, wait. You want to come? I will resign now. Listen. I will resign now. Listen. No.